Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. I'm back in the kitchen one more time again. Today we're gonna make your Jamaican Easter spicy bun. Back on the menu one more time again. It's Easter, and we all know that in Easter everybody happy when it comes to the bun and cheese. But today we're gonna give you a recipe of how you can make yourself a nice, lovely Easter bun, spicy Easter bun. You know the spicy Easter bun. This one is gonna be it by like you use like some mixed peel fruits inside of it, and you know what I mean, use yeast to make it. So a lot of people have been waiting for that recipe for a long time. Now I get the chance to deliver this kind of recipe. Guys, you're gonna enjoy it. So leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe coming out just for you. Enjoy it. Nice one. So as I said, today we're gonna make your Easter bun. You must have said Chef Ricardo not playing about. But anyway, first thing you need to do, as you can see right here, I got some coconut milk. Put a little bit more. This one. Okay, yes guys, so welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're gonna make you a nice lovely Easter bun. Spicy Easter bun. This one I'm gonna make by yeast. So right inside of this container right here, I have 1 large cup of coconut milk. A lot of people might say, I don't know what is coconut milk. Here it is. This is the way the coconut milk look. Come into a tin. If not, you can use some Ola milk. We got Ola milk, which you can also use. Yeast came in a little pot like this. This is the yeast. So basically you need to remove, I'm using 2 pots of yeast, and I'm gonna pour it straight inside of the milk, the coconut milk like this. Nice one. And then second thing, I'm gonna put a little bit, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt inside of it. Nice one. Use a spoon and also incorporate the yeast inside of it like this. Nice one. The reason why I put the salt inside of it, because the salt will help the yeast to froth. One. And next thing what you need to do is to put it into your microwave for roughly 50 seconds. That's it, guys. 50 seconds is good for it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Nice one. So I just take it from the microwave, guys, as you can see. Then what I'm gonna simply do now is put it outside like this. Lovely and nice. Then we're gonna get the big bowl, we're gonna get some flour and show you how to make Easter bun. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo. Nice one. Nice one. So, as you can see right over here, nice. So right over here I have 2 cups of plain flour right here, guys. Next we're gonna simply do now, just want to get it straight to you guys, because earlier I did something wrong. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. Now that's, yes, cinnamon, and also a little bit of grated nutmeg, and then now that one is mixed spice. This is the cinnamon, guys. A pinch of cinnamon. Also incorporate the seasoning, the spices inside of it, just like this. And right over here, as I can see, I have 2 cups of plain flour. Now I'm gonna sieve it just like this for you guys to show you what's going on. As you can see, I'm sieving it, guys, just to make you see what's going on inside of this thing right here. Looking lovely and nice. Nice one. So, and now over here we got some butter which I'm just melting. Let's get the butter. Nice one. So, flour already finished sieve. Let's put this at the side. Get some ingredients over here. I got 2 large spoons of butter. Pour straight inside of this. Right over here, I got some soaked fruits at the moment which I'm soaking. So I use a little bit of this and soak some of the fruits. In total, it's just 1 cup. So if I throw straight inside and get back the liquid from it, nice one. Then all of these fruits, let's pour them inside of this. And I have some glass cherry. Roughly, I'm using 1/4 cups of mix. The mixed fruits is the mixed dry fruits. Some people do use like mixed peel fruits, but I couldn't get that one, so I'm using this ordinary mixed fruits. A little bit of raisin inside of it like this. And inside of my container, let's put a little bit more vanilla to spice it. Put in some flavor inside of it, guys. Then a little bit of essence. Nice one. Put 1 egg, beat it. Like it, I take a little bit more flour. So if I put a little bit more, so roughly 1/2 cups more flour. Put another cups of flour, so 3 cups of flour inside of it, guys, just to make it perfect and done. With 1 cup of coconut cream. Lovely. Then what you could do now, just simply pour everything inside of it like this. And lovely, give it a nice mix. Gonna be really sticky, but I'm telling you, you will be fine. Because this is it how you want it to be. Really sticky. We're gonna make Easter bun. These fruits, I was soaking them for roughly about 3 to 4 hours now. So, as you can see, this is really sticky, guys. The hand gonna be messed up for a while, but that's the way it go when you're doing Easter bun. Then next thing, put a little bit of flour on the surface like this. Get the bun out, don't shy. Roll out that bun mixture. Nice one. Get it all over. Nice one. So as you can see the difference now, as I roll it into some flour. That's the mixture right here. Then now what we're gonna do, get this clean out now, and when we clean out the bowl, we're gonna put back this inside of it to get to rise. Nice. So as you can see, this is the bun mixture right here, guys. Looking lovely already. Then what we need to do now, we need to put it inside of this container right here. I just washed out, put a little bit of butter inside of it. Next, what you need to do is to get a wet towel or something wet and basically cover it and put it somewhere really warm for 2 hours. Enjoy the recipe. Nice one. So right over here, I just take up at the bun. As you can see, I make the bun get to rise up for roughly about 2 to 3 hours. I have this bun over a warm place. So if I take out the bun like this, like you guys can see, you can see the different what I'm talking about. The next thing we're gonna do now is just simply put a little bit of flour right here. Put the bun on it, just like this. Get my rolling pin. As you can see, let's put a little bit more flour underneath this bun because the next thing I want to say to you guys, make sure you make your oven preheat. Preheat your oven. Gas mark 5 or 6 is really good for that. If you're using a different oven, nice one. This is my tray which I'm gonna put my bun in. This is a bun tray or a bread tray which I'm gonna put the bun in. So what you need to do is simple fold the bun. As you can see, or I just fold the thing, guys. As you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. The next thing, get the tray, just like this, and put the bun in it, just like this, guys. Nice one. The next thing what you need to do is, as I said, preheat your oven first, and at gas mark 5, 4 is good or 6. Nice. So as you can see, the bun layout inside of the tray right here, guys. So now we're just gonna simply basically put this inside of the oven and bake it for roughly 20 minutes to half an hour inside of the oven, just to get it perfect and good and done. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe, and please leave your comments. And that's the Easter bun recipe from Chef Ricardo today. A spicy Easter bun. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you. Nice. I just take it from the oven, and all I did is get a little bit of butter melt and put a little bit of honey just to paint it like this, guys. Make it look really glassy and looking lovely. So you can see exactly what I'm talking about. That's the bun so far, looking lovely and nice. I just take it from the oven, so I'm just making it cool on at the moment, and that's the spicy bun. Very easy to make. I was trying to get some bun spice, but I couldn't get it to put inside of it some more other stuff, but I just use what ingredients I do have. Couldn't believe I went to the big supermarket, I couldn't even get certain things. So, but anyway, it's okay, come out really good, and I'm gonna cut it as soon as it cool down, so you guys can see how it look. Enjoy the recipe. Nice one. As you can see, I just cut it, and this is the way how it look. And this is just a homemade spicy bun. Guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more coming out for you. Enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.